Birdo. We made it out of El Centro. We stopped off at Birdo. Grab a quick food. What did you order, Carl?
Cheeseburger with fries. I was gonna get some beef, but the rack of ribs, but you're playing safe sometimes, you know what I mean? Double queso burger con patatas fritas.
I got the vegan chickpea burger and chips.
Vegan chicken. I have vegan stuff now.
It said chickpea burger in it, so we'll see. We'll see. Gracias. But it's nice to just sit back, chill, relax. You know what I mean? Sun is coming down. Still bright outside, but the sun is coming down, man.
Yeah, I need to see the locals. And it was nice, in fact, for me, because I was able to see like normal people, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it was nice. But where's that place that you said to go?
Casino 13.
Yeah, what is that? I remember
it's nice though. I wanted to go, but
what is it though?
Like graffiti and all of that, innit? Art and stuff.
Oh, like a tourist place.
Yeah.
That's it. So what is how far is it?
Like 18 minutes away.
From where we live?
Yeah. Come on, man. You know it's bad table manner to be eating and talking at the same time. You know what I'm trying to say? So, but the food was good though. The food was decent, man. It was decent. It was a bit surprising, but it was decent. It could hold me for I don't know a couple hours. Hopefully, anyway. But
5 minutes later.
Are you the DJ?
I'm not the DJ, but I'm playing the music.
You're playing the music?
Yeah.
Can I give you a song?
Yeah, of course.
Some good one.
You know what song?
What, you gonna do the dance?
Yeah, I will.
You gonna dance?
I will do it.
No way.
I'll do the dance as well, you know. I'll do the dance. I need some of your amigas to come and do the dance.
Okay. Richie Campbell. Over me.
Are you gonna do it?
I'll do it. Ha! You're lucky I never put Rolex Camel. What? You're lucky I never put Rolex Camel. Lucky I never put the M Honcho one. Huh?
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, they didn't think I was gonna do it. They didn't think I'm serious. But watch. I'm gonna have to get the bartender.
I'm gonna try to get them involved.
Huh? Huh?
We're gonna try to get them involved.
I have to get him involved, man. Huh? Huh?
No, I've got second-hand embarrassment. Please, now.
What?
I've got second-hand embarrassment, bro.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Chill out, man. You haven't seen anything yet. Watch when Uncle Cecil comes out. Uncle Cecil coming out, bro. Life of a content creator, you have to be selfless. Sometimes, some things you might not actually be that comfortable with. But it's all for the content. You know what I'm trying to say? Embracing the inner you, the inner child, and just enjoying yourself, you know? Dancing is good for the soul. Singing is good for the soul. Laughter is good for the soul. You're just too serious. If you like.
Look at this guy. Hey. Hey, my camera lens is dirty, man. Huh? Go and grab one of them. Grab one of them. You go and grab them.
Maybe I can do it, but I can't.
You did too much. You used to grab her, girl. You used to grab her. Grab her. Oh. You come off the camera. That's it. What? That's it.
The vibe wasn't really vibing, so
The vibe wasn't vibing. Because you gotta do it on the table.
don't be silly.
Do it on the table.
That's it on the table. Like you didn't say, it was embarrassed me just doing it right there.
Nah, you done your thing. You done your thing. You done your thing. But listen, it's not. Hold on. It's not locked onto your face. Yeah, but then you're out of the shot. That's what I'm saying. But you're calm. You done your thing, man. Sit down, man. Sit down, man. Yeah.
Yes, we are back on the way to the apartment right now. Been a long day. Been a long day. But it's been a good one, exploring, touring, you know, seeing some of the wonders of Colombia. Need to go home, rest up. I'll decide later on whether I'll step out again, but at the moment I just need to chill. It's the truth. If you know where good spots are in Medellin, drop a comment, let us know. Maybe we'll be able to reach them places. And we are back. Brother. You know how good it feels to be. Man. It's the best feeling ever to know that, yeah, back inside, you know what I'm saying? Hola. You know? Oh, fantastic, bro. Can't wait to the back of my shoes and just start. You get me? You know when you just kick off the shoe and you just start flicking your big toe in that.
Sensación del bloque, una morena latina tan fina cuando ella camina su cuerpo.
Very unfortunate that I have to do this, but I promised myself earlier on, if I didn't complete the mountain climbers before I left the house, I would have to start all over again when I get back. We are now back. Keeping the promises that you make to yourself. Not because you're a control freak, you're militant or anything like that, but for the simple fact that you stick to your word. Yeah? You stick to your word. You say something, you do it. Simple. Okay? 100 mountain climbers. We go.
Even though I know I shouldn't. Italian kicks and clothes, I'm stepping clean from a kitchen stove. I can get your brick of snow, but after the sword, I'll switch my phone. I don't want no traces. I feel the elbow watching. I know they want new cases. Just cut up this week's profits. You know when you made so much, you forgot your losses. Trap your man's been popping. Put it under the tap and lock it. Bando better than brandy. This whiskey in from Scotland. I was at home on job site. They don't wanna build me a hotline. That's DSQ and Off-White. I'm on bumper road of a hotspot. Get a full time back this fish. No, he ain't making cod bite. Bro, took a trip to the garden. Then he came back with frostbite. Slivering snakes, I was tanking, I cut this grass. Young days I was going on movies. Not once did they cut me far. But it's funny how things can change. That's why the trap goes insane. 4 packs and 4x4, you can hear it roll when I'm cut with past. Now the girls wanna know I laugh. Say she want a man with a mask. She don't even know the path, so she don't even need to know it. She just wanna cheat and blow it. And she love how the keys just frozen. Before you bust that brick, first cover your nose and shut those blinds. Count these rackets, now I can shut my eyes. We can bait, that's cooking. I put my life on the line, even though I know I shouldn't. Italian kicks and clothes, I'm stepping clean from a kitchen stove. I can get you a brick of snow, but after the sword, I'll switch my phone. I don't want no traces. I feel the elbow watching, I know they want you cases.
Me and Cuzzy has hit about 10 different spots, right? All of them saying, yeah, it's lit, it's lit, it's lit, it's lit inside, come inside, come inside, come inside. And it's dead. It is dead. It is dead. It is absolutely bleeding.